We will now connect a start push button, in the case you want to wire a start push button, and we will see how the system works. Here we have a pre-wired push button that we can connect to the start signal of the control board. So we will remove the terminal block. We will connect one of the two cables of the start normally open push button to the terminal block number 1. Okay, we can plug the terminal block back. Then we need to connect the common. We remove the terminal block of connector number 8 that is pre-wired to the limit switch common, and together we are connecting the common of the start push button. So we connect both the common of the limit switch and the common of the start push button to the common terminal block of the control board, which is number 8. We'll connect to number 8. Here we are. Okay, so now we have our push button connected. The common was connected together with the common of the limit switch cables to terminal block number 8. We plug the terminal block back. Okay, we switch the control board on again. And we can test that the system works properly. You can see that if I press the push button, there is a go coming on there, which means that the system is getting the signal.